Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display buy now button in single product page only in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin, write quick buy now button for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use, so click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see buy now button, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see quick buy now button setting, and then you see enable button on single product page. So already enable this option. Now you see enable button on shop page, so disable it because we are going to show buy now button on single product page only. If you want, you can enable this option also. Now you see button position on single page, after add to cart, before add to cart. Then you see button position on shop page, so you can select setting according to your requirement. Now you see redirect location, drop down, select, you see different options: checkout page, cart page, custom page. Now select custom page. If you want, you can add custom redirect URL. So when person click on buy now button, then user redirect to custom URL, and then you see button text buy now, so you can add your custom text here. And then you see default shop quantity. If you want, you can increase according to your requirement. Now scroll up, drop down, select checkout page, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, and then you see button style, so click on it. Scroll down, you see button now, button style drop down, default style or custom style. So you can select according to your requirement, and then you can add text color, background color, border color, font size, margin, padding, and then click on save changes. Now go to single product page. Now refresh the page. Now you see buy now button, so click on it. So when we click on buy now button, it's open checkout page. Now go to shop page. Now scroll down, you don't see buy now button on shop page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.